Dr. Smith, hindi pa ba namin kabisado yung mga controls dito? Pwede ho bang give us like 5 minutes? Its controls is similar to the flight simulator. Steve, ano ka ba? It's all just the same. Steve, take command. Mark, take the second lead. Big Bert, you handle weaponry and armaments. Jamie, medical and communication. Little John, do we do best. Engineering. Copy that, best friend. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch. Easy boy, easy! Mark, hindi kabayo yan, huy! Little John, are you okay? Okay lang naman. Para lang naman tong flight simulator ng Camp Big Falcon. Ha? Teka, paano mo naman nalaman yun? Ako pa. Siyempre hinak ko yan. Guys, nakikita niyo ba yung weapons list? Ang astig na mga weapons. Oh, Masuka. Jane Knuckles. Oh, Ultra Electromagnetic Whip. Big Bird, did you just say whip? Yeehaw! Let's go get them alien. Guys. Get your head in the game. What is the medical condition of the team? Camp Big Falcon reporting all 5 Bioscience team members are okay. Holy moly! Ang dami nila! Hoy, liit! Anong wow? Team, kaya ba natin tong mga to? It's too late! Hindi na tayo makakaurong! Ano ba? Huwag kayong magpadala sa takot nyo. Alahanin nyo sa atin umaasa ang buong mundo. Tama si Kuya. Wala nang urungan to. Little John, please, huwag ka muna makulit ngayon, ha? Susunod ka kay Kuya, okay? Yes, Kuya. Tsaka Mama, don't worry. Anong don't worry? Of course I'll worry. You don't have enough training. Mama, kayang-kaya ko to. Para lang tong video game. Anong video game? Oh my God. Video game. Team, let's engage. Commit! Use your weapons. Most of the controls is voice activated. Ooh, cool! Ham boomerang! Frigate rockets! Bonjour missile! Bomber missile! Nander Shuriken!